Welcome back to our channel. We have finished our paper 1 now. We try to go to paper 3. Paper 3, the first two questions is experimental technique analysis of data question. We will encounter it in 2025 onward new syllabus question 2. This kind of question is important because all the three science subjects, physics, chemistry, and biology, has the same kind of question. So if you learn it well here, your chemistry, your biology will do good too. So work hard on it. Question number 1 is about oxidation. Remember, all these experiment you haven't done it. It's completely new to you. You just need to understand the variables, the procedure, the graph, and that's it. No theory is required. This is a oxidation experiment. It said that mass is fixed and then investigate the period against the separation of the spheres. So period is the dependent variable, D is the independent variable, and M is the controlled variable because they want to study the relationship between T and D, not M. And you look at this, they have a diagram tell you what is this oxidation mean. It will oscillate. So this is another variable too. We call it amplitude, right? Amplitude of vibration. And supposedly in the experiment, you need to keep it a constant too, but this doesn't mention here. You will see why later. So it is page 1, and page 1 also has this diagram of T against D. They have all the data. Remember the error bar? When you draw the best fit line, the best fit line has to pass through all the error bars. Okay, let's go. So the page 2 is about the question. We do part A first. First, A1, explain why M was kept constant. Why? Because the study is about T and L, okay? Not about M, so you can say study is about, make it larger first, okay? Dependence of T on D. This is important because you recognize it. You need to write it down. And then just M is the technical term. What's the technical term? Controlled variable. That's it. Excellent. 1 marks. Question number 2. The student proposed that hypothesis that T is directly proportional to D. Remember directly proportional? Straight line and pass through origin. Outline whether the graph supports this model. So we try to draw the best fit graph. You have two kinds of discussion. First, you can say from the origin, we can't draw a best fit line passing through all the points within the error bar. You can't do it, right? Either missing that or missing that. Or you can say in another way, you said that the best fit graph passing through all the error bars does not pass through the origin. The second one is easier to explain, so I prefer this one. Obviously, straight line, right? But common mistake. Best line is not enough for directly proportional. We need straight line pass through the origin. So you can say the best fit line passing through all the points within the error bars does not pass through the origin. That's enough. That's enough. Just 1 mark. You can say it clearly. Well done. State one other feature of the experiments that the students should keep constant. Remember this one, you have to relate it to the experiment. I know everything should be kept constant, But some answer is too universal. You can say temperature, pressure, moisture, but not related. So you have to find something that is related to the experiment that must be kept constant. Makes sense? Remember what's that? Yes, the amplitude of oscillation. How you can find it? It is a gas, connection, oscillation. You can feel oscillation. You remember amplitude is a parameter. And in the question, it intentionally does not mention it because it want to test whether you remember it or not. So look it up. The question, some variables should be mentioned is missing, is the answer to the question. You got it? Well done. See you.